There are portable medical kits available for all kinds of outdoor pursuits, from camping days out in the wilderness to overnight river trips, because accidents may occur without prior notice. Still, you always need to stay prepared for any emergency. That's why it's always a wise idea to have a first aid kit with you, which can become a lifesaver while you are out in the woods or in emergencies. As a matter of fact, there are plenty of first aid kit options available in the market, which is why you might get confused. Therefore, in today's video, we will show you the 5 best first aid kit for survival that you should have with you. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Stay prepared in any survival situation with the Coleman Mini All-Purpose First Aid Kit that is small, does not cost too much, but can treat scrapes, scratches, bug bites, and more. This first aid kit is stocked with 27 of the most influential and versatile first aid kit, including antiseptic wipes, antibiotic ointment, and latex-free bandages. Moreover, the compact design enables you to be ready for any emergencies by keeping it in your purse, backpack, or car. Despite being compact and lightweight, this first aid kit still offers superior durability and reliability with an embossed first aid cross logo for quick identification. Overall, having the Coleman all-purpose first aid kit in your backpack will provide peace of mind and allow you to be prepared for the unexpected. Always be ready for the worst with the Delta Provision Co., a tactical first aid kit that comes with supplies to handle anything from simple scrapes to broken bones and severe bleeding. It comes with 130 essential first aid supplies, making it great in a survival situation or the wilderness. Inside, you will get everything from bandages, gauze, wipes, and burn gels, all the way to the tools like splint and Israeli bandage, CPR mask, and tourniquet. This case is made of tough nylon that is compatible with mole and pals platforms so that it can be easily attached to your tactical, survival, or bug-out gear. Additionally, the oversized zippers and organized pockets ensure easy access in almost any setting, while the strapping and sleeves hold all of your gear in place. Overall, the Delta Provision Co. Tactical First Aid Kit has been tested outdoors under extreme weather conditions and is perfect for any survival situation. Do not let your adventure get halted by cuts or bruises, and always stay prepared for unprecedented emergencies with the Swiss Safe, a comprehensive 2-in-1 first aid kit that is compact, lightweight, yet offers a significant number of supplies. With 120 medical grade items, this first aid kit is completely stocked with the most commonly encountered emergencies and neatly organized into individual pockets. Inside, you will get bandages, cotton tips, wipes, gloves, scissors, and much more to tackle your survival situation. Moreover, the mini first aid kit contains additional 32 supplies like alcohol pads, safety pins, CPR mask, and more. In addition to this, you will receive a comprehensive first aid guide with 18 pages to help you deliver accurate first aid in various emergencies. Weighing at around 1.2 pounds, this kit is from the highest quality FDA-approved facility exceeding safety standards. All in one, the Swiss Safe 2-in-1 first aid kit has everything you will need during an emergency, making it a perfect gear for tackling any survival situation. Now get introduced to the Adventure First Aid 1.0, a small and affordable kit that includes all the necessary items inside a super compact bag. This kit consists of items to treat cuts and scrapes, insect bites, headaches, muscle aches, and allergic reactions. You'll find 49 piece items including bandage materials, blister and burn supplies, fracture and sprain bandages, forceps, medication, survival tools, and wound care supplies. It comes with a coated nylon bag with waterproof inner plastic storage pouches that work in any weather conditions with ease. With injury-specific pockets containing essential supplies, you will be able to give a quick and effective first aid treatment in those immediate situations. Weighing at only 8 ounces, the Adventure First Aid 1.0 is compact enough to carry with you in any backpack easily. Natural disasters or accidental cuts. The Lightning X LXMB20-SKB is here with loaded first aid kits to solve every bit of your injury. This kit is large enough to fit all of your essential supplies, yet small enough to keep in your backpack, making it perfect for any emergency. Inside the bag, it is loaded with tons of items. You'll find tweezers, Kelly hemostats, trauma shears, bandage shears, even pen light. Other than that, there are band-aids, gauze pads, tapes, alcohol wipes, antibiotic ointment, and more to provide you the utmost support in emergencies. There are loops, pockets, pouches, and dividers throughout the inside of the bag to hold and organize plenty of BLS medical supplies. Besides, it also includes a padded adjustable shoulder carry strap with reflective stitching and offers easy mobility in a wide range of situations. In short, the Lightning X LXMB20-SKB is overall the best first aid kit on our list, and we highly recommend it due to its all-around features. So that was all about the 5 best first aid kits for survival just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.